Good morning, all. 6:30 a.m. Yeah. Finally sorted out my heating the other day before yesterday. Or was it the day before that? Tuesday, I think. So, yeah, so that makes it Monday or Tuesday. Bloody simple thing. I should have realised this straight all along. I wasn't thinking properly. See? The oil filter at the tank outside, it was full of water. Ice. Obviously ice now. And that's why my boiler was coughing and spluttering and farting. Took it off. Took the plastic cartridge inside it. Well, I had to defrost it first with a hot gun. Got the hot air gun. Loosened all the ice off. Like a block of it. Shape of a bull. And chucked it in a mug of hotish water. Cleared everything up. Put it back on. Bang the cover back on. Water absolutely flooding through. Oil flooding through to the boiler now. Bleed it out. And it was all, you could see it running yellow with your heating oil and white, clear. Oh yeah, I had to defrost a good section of the feeder copper pipe, bringing the oil to the boiler. That was full of water as well. Frozen solid. Oh, what a palaver. I should have knew this as soon as it started playing up last week, or a week or two ago, when the temperature started dipping and below zero at night. I should have realised it. And plenty of oil. Well, not plenty, but enough. Oh, God's sakes. I didn't think so. It just came to me earlier this week. I said, hang on, there's a filter on this machine, of course. It's only a small little thing, you can miss it. It's right behind the on-off tap. But that size across, that size deep. Like this. It's got a plastic filter cartridge inside it. Like a circular, that fat, with plastic mesh all around the side of it, with thin little holes in it. I'm on the rollies. I had a good deal with some Turkish tobacco. These Turkish lads, run a certain restaurant. Practically all through the year, one of them is off, going back to Eastern Turkey, and they bring in their allowance of rolled tobacco, which I think is a couple of 50-gram bags. I don't think any of them smoke, or maybe one. And a certain person I know, who's not Turkish, works there. And any spare go and he buys it up for, travel costs money type thing, friend of a friend type of thing. So as a gift to donate to his back pocket. Not much. It's a gift. But, I owed him money, didn't I? Wink, wink. The black economy, my pal. My friends. Yeah, so I sorted out my boiler and it's bloody good. In the night I got it set up so it comes on just for a couple of minutes every 10 minutes. It keeps it just right. Nice. Yeah. First thing in the morning. This is just to heat up the upstairs. Or hot water cycle. And now I've got it on full bow. Turn the setting up to medium to up. So it's now heating up the whole house. There's a temperature gauge in the hall, and it was this morning it was saying 5, which isn't too bad, 5 degrees C. So give it an hour, it'll be up to the teens. But it's much warmer up here. Heat rise, you see. Ta-ra, have a good Friday. Happy weekends. Well, after today, I didn't post anything, you see. I was out for quite a bit of the day. Tra.